Hey there and welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and today we're talking about powders you place right on your tongue 30 to 60 minutes before intimacy. Proven to boost blood flow, stamina, and firmness. No waiting weeks for results. We're talking real rapid enhancement backed by science. Why sublingual powders work. When you put these powders on your tongue, they're absorbed through oral blood vessels, bypassing digestion for lightning-fast results. Within minutes, active nutrients enter circulation to open vessels, lower tension, and prime performance. This isn't daily maintenance. It's targeted, event-ready support. L-citrulline, the nitric oxide catalyst. L-citrulline converts into L-arginine, which creates nitric oxide, the molecule that relaxes penile blood vessels. Studies show men with mild ED using L-citrulline saw 50% improvement in firmness and satisfaction. Dose 3 to 6 g powder. Let it dissolve on your tongue, drink water, and feel effects within 45 minutes. Beetroot powder. Natural nitrate booster. Beetroot is loaded with nitrates your body turns into nitric oxide through oral bacteria. It widens blood vessels, improves oxygen flow, and sustains energy. 1 to 2 tablespoons 45 to 60 minutes before intimacy enhance stamina and vascular response. Let it coat your tongue first for best conversion. Maca root. Desire and energy activator. Maca root from the Andes has centuries of reputation for restoring vitality. Modern trials confirm improved libido, energy, and satisfaction, without altering hormones. Black maca is the strongest form. Take 1 to 3 teaspoons 60 to 90 minutes prior. Nutty taste, smooth onset, elevated mood and drive. Pine pollen powder. Nature's microandrogen. Pine pollen contains tiny plant-based androgens plus amino acids that may subtly support testosterone. Hold 1 to 2 teaspoons under your tongue for 1 to 2 minutes, swallow with water. Expect gentle energy, calm confidence, and renewed vigor about an hour later. Horny goatweed, mild PDE5 support. Horny goatweed's compound acarian acts like a natural PDE5 inhibitor, sustaining firmness by maintaining cGMP levels. Take 1/2 to 1 teaspoon powder 30 to 60 minutes before intimacy. It's bitter but effective. Follow with water or juice. Use standardized 10 to 20% acarian for consistent potency. The Performance Stack formula. Combine 2 teaspoons L-citrulline plus 1 tablespoon beetroot plus 1 teaspoon maca. This synergy fires nitric oxide from 2 pathways, boosts stamina, and heightens desire. Take 45 to 60 minutes before intimacy. The earthy sweet blend tastes pleasant and acts within an hour, delivering sustained energy and confident control. Timing and optimization. Best results. L-citrulline 30 to 60 minutes, beetroot 45 to 60 minutes, maca 60 to 90 minutes. Avoid large meals before dosing. Stay hydrated. Empty stomach absorption and water circulation make the difference between subtle and stellar results. Safety and tolerance. These powders are safe for most healthy men. If you're on blood pressure medication or have heart disease, check with your doctor first. L-citrulline and beetroot lower pressure. Begin with smaller doses and build up. Expect mild GI effects or beet-colored urine, both harmless. Lifestyle boosters. Exercise, manage weight, quit smoking, sleep 7 to 9 hours, limit alcohol, and manage stress. These amplify every powder's effect. The stronger your cardiovascular base, the more powerful your response will be. Pro tips for absorption. Add a tiny pinch of black pepper for better nutrient uptake. Take with a teaspoon of healthy fat like coconut oil or a few nuts. Relax, breathe, and focus on connection, not performance pressure. Confidence amplifies chemistry. Your action plan. Start with L-citrulline 3 to 6 g 45 minutes before intimacy. Test, then add beetroot and maca for synergy. Track results. Firmness, stamina, recovery. Most men notice improvements within the first few uses and steady gains over weeks. Remember, your performance doesn't have to fade with age. These science-backed powders can reignite confidence and connection naturally. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley. Take care of your health and I'll see you in the next video.